Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Hanahool Lashes is probably one of the most sought-after beauty enhancements for achieving a stunning, voluminous look without the hassle and cost of salon extensions, offering a DIY solution that promises to elevate your eye game from everyday subtle to dramatic glam in minutes, making them a must-have in your makeup arsenal for effortless beauty. Number 5. Bodermincer C-Curl Cluster Lash Extensions. Introducing our premium lash extensions, designed to give you a captivating look. These high-quality clusters are perfect for enhancing your natural beauty. Each pack contains 240 pieces, ensuring you have plenty for multiple applications. They feature a beautiful C-curl, providing a natural yet dramatic lift to your eyes. Choose between 10D and 20D clusters to achieve your desired volume and fullness. These individual clusters allow for a customized and seamless blend with your natural lashes. This set offers a wide range of mixed lengths, from 8mm to 16mm, in various combinations. You can easily create a personalized look, whether you prefer subtle enhancement or bold drama. For a truly complete and harmonious look, this product also includes under eyelashes. They ensure a balanced and stunning appearance from every angle. Designed for easy application, these extensions help you achieve professional-looking results at home. Elevate your gaze and feel confident with every blink. Experience the difference with these versatile and high-quality lash extensions. They are your secret to achieving beautiful, voluminous lashes every time. What we like? This set offers incredible value with 240 pieces and a mix of 10D and 20D clusters. It uniquely includes under eyelashes for a complete look. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit to achieve both upper and lower lash enhancement, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. 12-row large tray dramatic black cluster eyelashes. Transform your look with these exquisite false eyelashes. They are designed to give you a dramatic and captivating gaze. This large tray offers a fantastic mix of lengths, including 8-10-12-14-16 mm. You can customize your lash look from natural to intensely bold. Featuring a wide stem, these individual cluster lashes are incredibly easy to apply. They provide a secure and comfortable fit for all-day wear. Crafted in a deep, dramatic black, they instantly enhance your natural lashes. Get ready to turn heads with their striking appearance. Each large tray contains 12 rows of these beautiful lashes. This ensures you have plenty of options for multiple applications and styles. Whether for a special occasion or daily elegance, these lashes are your perfect accessory. They offer professional results right at home. Experience the difference a truly dramatic lash can make. Add them to your beauty routine and embrace your most glamorous self. What we like? With a generous 12-row tray, this option provides ample supply for multiple applications. Its wide stem design makes application easier and more secure for beginners. If you desire a dramatic, bold look with simplified application, this product is perfectly suited for you. What people say. Number 3. D-Curl Wide Stem Cluster DIY Lashes Extensions. Transform your look with these innovative DIY lash extensions. They offer a simple way to enhance your natural beauty. Featuring a beautiful D-curl, these lashes open up your eyes. Their wide stem cluster design ensures easy application and a secure hold. Designed for individual application, you can customize your lash look at home. No need for professional help to get salon-quality results. This set includes a mix of lengths, such as 10, 12, 14, and 16 mm. You can create various styles, from subtle to dramatic. Experience dramatic volume that makes your eyes pop. They provide a full, luscious look perfect for any occasion. With 120 pieces, you have plenty of options for multiple applications. Enjoy long-lasting beauty and confidence with them. What we like? These clusters feature a striking D-curl, providing an intense, eye-opening lift. The wide stem design is perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking to customize their lash style at home. If you love a dramatic, curled lash and enjoy creating your own unique looks, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Number 2. Mixed Length Wide Stem Cluster Lashes. Transform your look with our premium cluster lashes. These individual false eyelashes are designed to give you beautiful, full volume effortlessly. Each pack offers a versatile mix of lengths, including 8-10-12-14 mm. This allows you to create a natural gradient or dramatic effect tailored to your preference. Featuring a wide stem design, these lashes are incredibly easy to apply. They provide a secure and comfortable fit, perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Experience ultimate comfort with these soft and lightweight extensions. You'll barely feel them, ensuring a pleasant wear throughout the day or night. These volume eyelashes extensions seamlessly blend with your natural lashes. They are perfect for enhancing your makeup, giving your eyes a captivating and glamorous finish. Crafted from high-quality materials, these cluster lashes are durable and designed for lasting wear. Enjoy beautiful, voluminous lashes that stay perfect for any occasion. What we like? Experience ultimate comfort with these incredibly soft and lightweight clusters. They deliver beautiful, natural-looking volume without feeling heavy on your eyes. If you prioritize comfort and a subtle, everyday enhancement, you should definitely consider this option. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no points could be extracted as requested. Number 1. Bodermincer 20 Eyelashes Extension. Transform your look with these exquisite individual eyelash extensions. They are designed to enhance your natural beauty with a captivating allure. Experience unparalleled comfort and a natural feel. With a root thickness of just 0.07 mm, these lashes blend seamlessly with your own. Achieve a beautiful, open eye effect. Their elegant C-curl provides a flattering lift, making your eyes appear larger and more expressive. These lashes offer a rich, multidimensional volume. Their soft black shade adds depth and intensity without looking artificial. Crafted at a versatile 13 mm length, they provide noticeable enhancement. This size is perfect for adding significant length and volume. Perfect for professional application or personal use, they are the ideal tool for creating a dramatic yet refined look. Elevate your lash game with ease. Discover the secret to captivating eyes. They are soft, comfortable, and designed to give you that perfect, long-lasting finish. What we like? These lashes boast a fine 0.07 mm thickness, creating a very natural and delicate appearance. The 20 root design provides impressive density while maintaining a lightweight feel. If you're aiming for a supernatural yet dense lash line that blends seamlessly, this product is ideal. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.